Okay, so now let's see how to create this kind of shape using subdivision option. So in beginning, NURB curves are common for solid modeling, subdivision modeling and surface modeling. So for right now, just type in 0, enter, and type in 10 mm distance and click here. Now if you need to change your color, click here on layer and type in green. Okay, now that is the second line we will take as a polyline. So let's jump at one grid line and let's make to the outer side and again back to that same point. Okay, so this is my second curve. Okay, we will move up this line at 30 mm distance. Okay, we need another copy of this line at 20 mm. So keep pressing Alt key and click here as a 20. So this line will go at 20 mm height. Okay, now I want to change this rectangle from this point to this point. So select the line, turn on this edit points and select these points. Now click on this option. See, I have selected these all the points. Now click here and type in 6 mm distance. So it all the points will be moved at this distance. Okay, now we need to use only subdivision options. So here is the SubD loft. Sorry, SubD loft. So what will loft do? It will connect all the cross sections. So we need to select these cross sections sequence wise and we will need to use this corners option. Now turn on this shaded option. You can change the style. See, this style is depend on my cross section. So if you need to adjust your shape segments, so you can adjust them using 15 or multiple options. Now division between shapes. So these are the shapes 1, 2 and 3. So if I need to add divisions, so I can also add new divisions. So it will add 6 divisions in between these cross sections. So it will make more smooth mesh. Now press OK. Select this option and type in mirror option. Select this point to this point. Okay. So this way we can create this kind of beautiful shape. Now select them and type in Ctrl J. So it will join them. Once the join option is done, let's select all of them and move it apart. Okay. Now create one circle, type in 0, enter, and specify your radius diameter as a 30. So 30 is your diameter. Now select it circle and type in division command, divide command. Now after this option appears, you need to press enter, and then after you need to click turn on this option split yes, and number of segments here is the 6. Now click done. So see, you can see here the circle has been divided into multiple sections. Okay, now see, I need to set this line. See, here is the line. Oh, oops, where it's gone? Okay, it's not, there is no line, so we will create a new line of 10 mm. So from this point to this point. Okay, now I want to apply this design on this particular segment. So select first option. Now type in flow along curve, select your baseline, and this is my target curve line. Okay, so this way you can move your design on this circle perfectly. So dimensions are really very important. If the dimensions are different, it will not match perfectly. It should be circle diameter and this length of the diameter must be follow the same length and same segments. So you need to make sure that this radius and this length are as defined properly. Okay, now go to top view, select this surface. Now type in array polar. So here is the polar option. Take 0 as a center and type in 6 because we have the 6 options. Okay, see here it's not properly matched. So let's make it undo. We need to flow it again. So make it again undo. Okay, again I will select this option, type in flow. Okay, I need to turn on this stretch option. If the stretch option is turned off, see it will not match ends perfectly. So for right now, keep turn on the stretch. Now it is asking for the base curve. This is my base curve and this is my target curve. Let's move it here. Okay, so select your bottom curve. See, it should match its start and end points perfectly. Okay, now this way you can select the top means this segment, this portion, this surface. Okay, now you can apply array polar option. Type in 0, enter, and number of segments are 6. So see, its ends are perfectly matching. So the stretch option makes the game winner. Okay, so select the upper portion. Now go to front view and type in mirror, 0, enter, and make a straight mirror line. Select the bottom portions and type in join command. So all the surfaces will become a single unit, single model. Okay, now we will use cage edit. So here is the cage edit option. Select the bounding box, world, type in all the 4 options. Okay, 4 is fine. And now global, G, enter. Select the both the options, scale it outer side as per your requirement. You can also select the top portion and bottom portion. We can also move them inside. So here is the inner side option. So let's first click outer side, select the top portion, select the bottom, and move it inner side. So this way you can make your design beautiful. Okay, and now if you want to make a 3D print, so go to render. Okay, now hide these hide these extra objects and move them into another layer. Hide them. Okay, also select this circle, hide them. Okay, now use offset SubD. So offset SubD, and now specify your distance. See, your surfaces have very small segments, so you need to specify very proper distance, otherwise you need to create extra circle inside and then you can join them. For right now I'm just going to use a 0.25 outer side and just done. So this object become solid. So you can now 3D print this object. Okay, yeah. Thank you.